Hey lovies, I am your love Sristy Dutta, and in this video I am gonna share some interesting Tretinoin secrets most of you don't know. Before we dive into the secrets, let's understand what Tretinoin is and how it can give you the skin of your dream. It's like one product you need for all your skin problems and it's just rupees 160. But using it correctly is absolutely crucial to see those incredible results. Now make sure you watch this video till the end because Tretinoin is very strong and you don't want to have half-baked knowledge about it. So let's see the secrets. Secret number 1. Tretinoin for dark circles. Tretinoin can be used to get rid of your dark circles, but Tretinoin is extremely strong and should not be used on areas like eyes, nose and mouth because the skin around these areas are very thin. So what I do is I take some eye cream and apply it near my eyes, nose and mouth. Then I take very little amount of Tretinoin, rub it in my fingers and apply it on those areas by lightly tapping my fingers. Believe me, this technique is a game changer. I had dark upper eyelids and that has lightened like a lot. Secret number 2. Tretinoin for lip lightening. If you have pigmented dark lips, then this will be a game changer for you. First of all, you should apply hydrating moisturizer every day on your lip and make sure your lips are well hydrated before you use this technique. As our lips are very sensitive and if you use this technique on dry, dehydrated lips, then your lips are gonna get even more pigmented. So here is what you need to do. Take some Borolin, the Indian classic, and add very little Tretinoin in it. Mix them together and apply it on your lips. Leave it overnight and the next morning wash your lips and apply a hydrating SPF lip balm. I do this every once in a week and not daily, and you need to do it continuously for 8 weeks to see awesome results. Now secret number 3. Hyaluronic acid and Tretinoin. This is my all-time favorite Tretinoin hack. Let me explain you why. Tretinoin works by increasing the cell turnover, which is great, but that also causes our skin to get extremely dry. Now, hyaluronic acid provides intense amount of hydration when applied on damp skin. So what I do is I apply water on my face and then I apply hyaluronic acid on my damp skin. Then I wait for 5 minutes and once my skin is completely dry, I apply Tretinoin. I use a pea-sized amount of Tretinoin and evenly spread it all over my face. Currently I don't have any active acne, but when I have it, I use Tretinoin as a spot treatment too. Hyaluronic acid is working in keeping the skin hydrated, while Tretinoin is working in getting new cells and sloughing off the outermost layer of the skin. This technique gives way faster results as the skin is well hydrated, so the skin barrier is protected. Secret number 4. Tretinoin for dark knees, elbows and knuckles. Have you ever wondered why these areas tend to darken over time? It's all about friction, dryness and excessive melanin production. Now, Tretinoin increases cell turnover and promotes collagen production, resulting in a brighter complexion. So apply pea-sized amount of Tretinoin every night on these areas and follow it up with a thick moisturizer or body lotion. Remember to apply sunscreen on these areas the next morning. Secret number 5. Use niacinamide with Tretinoin. Similar to hyaluronic acid and Tretinoin, niacinamide and Tretinoin works wonder too. It helps to strengthen the skin barrier, reduce redness and even out the skin tone. Tretinoin can initially cause dryness and irritation. That is when niacinamide steps in. When used together, niacinamide can reduce the dryness caused by Tretinoin. Now, how do you use niacinamide with Tretinoin? Use it either on alternative nights or in your morning skincare regimen. I prefer to use niacinamide serum in the morning skincare routine and layer hyaluronic acid and Tretinoin in the night skincare routine. Now comment Tretinoin if you want me to show day 1 to day 30 skin transformation using Tretinoin. If I get 200 comments, I'll surely make a dedicated video on that. And as you stole all these Tretinoin secrets from me, how about subscribing to my channel? That way, you can steal even more useful secrets from me. Do subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.